The 40-foot houseboat, 2 main pontoons with a third pontoon at the bow. She's got baffles through all the pontoons, so she's unsinkable just about. Not saying that she's a Titanic, but bilge pumps all through it.
Tell me what you've done to it.
Well, we've repainted it, all new bilge pumps, new wiring, all new lights in the bedrooms, master bedroom and the kids' bedrooms.
She's all sort of unfurnished, ready for...
Yes, it had old furniture on it, so we took that all off. We didn't want to put any furniture on it in case other people wanted to change their mind, so it's unfurnished. We saw new water pumps through it, bilge pumps, like I said. Yeah, she's clean, tidy, and ready for sale.